Time now for a ray of hope. This evening, we highlight the story of a Jamaican who is making waves in Hollywood, California, in the United States. Kian Morgan reports.
Born and raised in Shirley Castle, Portland, Yulata Sam always had a passion for the arts. However, track and field was his first choice.
Running pen relays, the whole 9 yards, with, the actual dream of becoming a, track and field legend representing my country.
With his heart set on becoming an athlete, Yulato migrated to the United States on a track and field scholarship to study at Morehouse College in Atlanta, Georgia. There, he ventured into acting and dancing and secured 2 other scholarships, one of which came from American talk show host and producer Oprah Winfrey.
I was also performing around Atlanta, hosting Atlanta Carnival. I was hosting just different events for the Jamaican and Caribbean community.
Things were going well until his final year of college, when Yulato's dream of competing in the Olympics was dashed by a leg injury.
I realized that the instrument that I have, this body that I've been blessed with, it can do a lot of things. However, certain things are temporary.
That revelation forced him to assess his options, and he turned to the performing arts.
Through the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart, what I can do is really change someone's life in an instant. I can inspire someone to revisit a memory just by giving life and breath to words on a page.
He pursued a Master of Fine Arts at the University of California, Los Angeles, and went on to perform in Europe and Australia. Yulato has also worked with the likes of American actress and dancer Julianne Hough, and through her company, granted him the opportunity of working on one of Oprah Winfrey's tours.
It's really amazing because all those experiences, running at Champs in Jamaica in front of, 30,000 people, or being on stage, hosting Carnival, doing radio work, learning, about being on stage and stage presence. In that moment, everything sort of came together. Dr. Louise Bennett Coverley, her research to me is invaluable, because she was one of the first people to really break down Jamaican theatre acting. And those things are the foundation on which I sort of stand.
Yulato, who has appeared in short films such as Beautiful Monster and Havana, says he would love to start his own institution for performing arts in Jamaica. He's encouraging other Jamaicans with similar aspirations to remain steadfast.
It's about finding a way to discipline yourself, knowing that at times it might be extremely hard to stay committed to what you're doing, but without rigor and repetition, which is the mother of all success, you won't find that it's either worth it or you won't find your way close to it.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.